Hey guys, it's RJ Logistics and I'm here to show you how to install a illuminated emblem. So yeah, this might be Infinity Q series targeted, but if you know the logistics on how to remove like a grill or remove trim, it's the same concept. So these are the tools I'll be using. A 10 mil. Y'all know what this is. And flatheads. And this. Please. So there's two ways to do this. You can use crimp connectors, or you can wire it, or solder it. I did the easy way, just because I want to be able to remove it when I want to. First was remove all these clips. And that's really all you need to remove them. Now I literally just pick it up and find a safe place to put it. Alright, so assuming you guys know how to put on an emblem, it's basically the same concept. All you have to do is really push the wire to the back right here. See it? Right here. Yeah. There's a little slot right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah. All you have to do is just push the wire through the slot. There's two of them back there. And if you don't know how to remove these emblems, all you have to do is push these tabs, this and that one outwards, so this way. To remove the little clips, I used flathead. Was remove the passenger side air box or air intake, so I have more room to work with, or at least get it out of the way. It's easy. All you have to do is just lift up and push it to the side. You want to just remove the box. There's two bolts right here, one right here, one right here. After you remove the two bolts, all you have to do is just pull right up, and it comes right out. More space, you can actually remove the front part. Maybe just pull it off. Just find somewhere safe to put it. Now you have room. Right here. So there's a little tab on the bottom right here. I used the flathead to push it up, so it's easier. Disconnected the connector. I need you guys to locate the gray wire. This gray wire turns on the low beams. It's because you can turn it on whenever you want, and when it's sunny out, you don't really need it on. You're not gonna see it anyway. So once you locate that wire, the gray one, you want to use the crimp tool and put it on. Then after you put it on, you want to use the pliers. This. So now that it's crimped on, look for the power wire and connect. Where did I put it? Power. So you have a ground, there's two wires. You have a ground wire and a power wire. The power wire is red. So after you put the power wire into the crimp tool, use the vice grips and squeeze this together. So you get a full. So now it's pretty self-explanatory. Just connect the two pieces together. All that, you have to find a place to mount the ground. What I did was I used the mounting point for the airbox, and I just screwed it in. So this is what I did. You can find any other mounting point anywhere around the chassis. So before I connected everything, I made sure to turn this into the low beams. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's on. Just put everything together and you're good.